Hello guys, today I'm going to pick this Corbin MASTER RING lock. Here I have for comparison, it's just a regular Corbin multi-cylinder, so there's quite a significant size difference. It's a 5-pin one. There are not a lot of video on YouTube of Corbin MASTER RING getting picked, so hopefully I will get it picked. It's not very hard lock to pick in my opinion, as long as there's spools in it. They are quite easy to pick to the operating line, so to the ring. But to the plug it's harder. I never got it to the plug. So let's get it picked. Should open right now, and no, I dropped something. Sorry for that. There we go. I was right. I just overset it. So let's gut this thing. I will just set it there. Also, I want to say thank you to Ryan or Mr. Eastern on YouTube for sending me this lock in the Keeping Secret Santa. So I'll just move this one out of the way. I hope I got it to the plug, so it will be easier to gut. I won't have to shim it open first. So let's remove the screw. Just huge. They are, ASA called them Corbin Jumbo multi-cylinder, and I know why. These things are absolutely huge. Nowhere near as huge as Moguls, but anyway. So I picked it to the ring as I expect. So I will lock it back up, and since I don't have the plug key, I'll just use a thin metal shim up into there, and I will shim it to the plug. If I can find my pick, here we go. Just here, just medium pressure on the shim, and it shouldn't take long. Come on, you. I'll just start over. May just be easier. I should have practiced more the shimming part before doing this, but anyway. Sorry, we'll do it off frame. will take less time. I would just put a link where you can skip if you don't want to go through this. I used the other end of the shim, I mashed it up. I'm really sorry for that. I just wanted to pick it and got it easily, but I guess it doesn't work out that way. I just try to pick the remainder. I'm sorry. It will take longer to get it than I took to pick it. Yes, I picked the 3 remainder and it's to deploy, so I can just slide this out. Yes. So I should just remove the key under my camera and dump the pins. Oh, there is a little ball bearing here on pin 1 and pin 2. I think that's all there isn't on the other ones. So there are a lot of pin stacks in to these old institutional locks. So I will try to keep it fairly aligned so I don't fuck this up. Upper master pins, and the spools. I will just try to put every single one of them here. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of pins inside of there. And I will just take the ring itself out, just to prove everything is intact. Yeah, everything is like new. And here. So thank you for watching, guys, and please stay legal.